Hey, I'm Bex and welcome to my kitchen. I've invited Kelly along today to explain some of the properties of Kangen water. Hello Kelly.
Hey Bex, kia ora everyone. I'll be happy to talk about what Kangen is all about and the antioxidants. I was introduced to Kangen water 3 years ago. I knew antioxidants were good, but I wasn't actually sure what they actually do. But the rusting process happens inside our systems, oxidation. So as you can see here, when you cut an apple and you go back to it a few hours later, it's gone rusty. Pretty much it happens to our cells on a daily basis. Antioxidants are perfect for anti-aging, anti-inflammatory as well. So
Is that every woman's dream?
Absolutely. So I just want to show you we can actually measure whether a liquid has antioxidants or whether it's oxidizing. Now oxidizing isn't good, that's what's happening on this side. And it's aging and it's dead, dying and rusting. So we actually want to put antioxidants into our system to neutralise the oxidation and neutralise the free radicals which cause disease. So I'm going to show you whether something is oxidising, whether it's antioxidant.
Okay, so how do you do that?
Right, I've got a special meter here called an oxidation reduction potential meter. And that actually measures whether something is oxidising. If it's oxidising, it will have a positive reading, not good for you. And if it's antioxidant, it will have a negative reading.
Okay, so how about I hold that bit?
Sure.
Okay.
So I'm just going to put this probe into the liquids and we will see whether it's good for you or whether it's bad, basically.
Okay, so we're going with the Sprite first of all.
Yeah.
This is one of our most favourite soft drinks.
Yeah, absolutely.
Kids, and I have to say, with my own kids in the beginning, I didn't like them drinking Coke, but I was happy for them to drink Sprite.
Yeah, yeah, all sodas, anything with CO2,
Yeah.
it's all bad for you.
Okay,
But basically,
so when that goes in there, oh my goodness, wow, that's got a positive reading of 308.
yeah. Okay, so that's very oxidising, not good for you. Here's our Powerade, and just remember these represent, the fizzy represents all fizzy, the lemonade, the Powerade, all sports drinks as well. And we see so much advertising on how good sports drinks are, electrolytes and everything else. So this is our Powerade, one of the most popular sports drinks, reading.
Wow, that's positive 317, 18, 19, 320 that went up to.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Gosh.
Yep. Here's one of our waters called Activities here in New Zealand. So we'll put that in there.
My goodness, and that, as a water, 262. That's gone up to.
Right, and here's our tap water from Tauranga here in New Zealand. So,
and that one, oh my goodness, that's over 300. That's 334. Oh my goodness, 340, 350, and still going up.
if I actually left it in there, it would end up rising to about a positive 550.
Wow.
Same with our fizzy if we left this in here.
Okay.
Pump, this is what I used to buy all the time.
Well, that's what I lived on as well, thinking it was better than tap water. Not much. 352. 352. And then we're going to come along to
the star of the show.
The star of the show, the Kangen water. Wow, that's just jumped down to a negative 480. That's a negative, so that's an antioxidant. Is that right?
Antioxidants that will actually neutralise a lot of the oxidation, the free radicals in our system. So just to give you an idea of like where antioxidants lie, because we hear of green tea, we hear of vitamin C, we hear of supplements that are very good and have antioxidants. We hear about our fruit and veggies that have antioxidants as well. So just on this graph here, I don't know if you can see that, but green tea is a reading of negative 80. So that's great, it's an antioxidant. You'd have to drink a gallon of green tea to match 1 glass of Kangen water. That's how many antioxidants are in there. Vitamin C, a negative 50. Again, our water's got way more antioxidants in that. And our sports drinks are all in this positive, all bottled water. And to be fair, here in New Zealand, I've tested all the spring waters here. I've done distilled, I've done reverse osmosis, I've done them all, and they all read a positive reading. So we want that negative reading to be able to neutralise the oxidation. So our Kangen water here can read up to negative 800. That's huge. So yeah,
so that's a really
absolutely
good
amazing.
way and a very effective way to get antioxidants into your system.
And so
All
easy.
you do is you
Change your water. Change your water.
Fantastic.
Exactly. So just keep in mind, 1 glass of Kangen water has more antioxidants than all the fruit and veggies you can eat in a day. It's huge. It's huge.
And we all should be drinking water.